Much of the damage was already done, and 20 million people starved to death in one of history's
edibles? Edibles or whatever in his car, because it's.
If you want me to hit him for you, I'm willing. Just let me know.
No violence. It's just.
That are needed here. So like an Ian Cole could be a number 4 blue liner for maybe Dallas. Or maybe Columbus puts him back as a number 5. And then that could help fill in depth chart position where maybe they need somebody. The trick.
Where are they at? I don't see them. There they are. Don't turn. There's obviously more coming.
On the success of that game. They upgraded the proprietary Rage engine and got to work. Originally, the team wanted to do San Andreas all over. The 3 cities, the countryside, all included.
The fuck is that?
That they may have actually been 2
on the street in front of the house.
Okay, left turn signal on, you merge to the right. Oh, now you finally get it correctly. Wow.
Mike Brown, Richard Clune, and Fraser McLaren with 12 each. So, a lot of guys fighting after that lockout. 13,
going up the wrong side of the street.
Coming down.
So how much, like out of the 4 years, what percentage of the 122 did you pay off in the last 2? Because you really got your momentum. I'm guessing and these teenagers, man, they're smart. They're quick on the draw on this stuff. It's a lot of fun. All right, Ashley is with us in Richmond, Virginia. Ashley's got a question for Anthony. What's up, Ashley?
And that's kind of close for a red light run.
I am currently about a year late.
Before I was born, and yet I get the importance of it and how amazing it was, and yet they won't put Henderson in. They won't put in Team Canada and Team USSR as a whole. I don't. Team Hockey Hall of Fame inductions for this year. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you again soon.
Last second merge by an ambulance.
There's a topic that.
Did he just go right through a red light? I think he did. And that's a no turn on red up there.
But he also went through a lot of abuse as a teenager. And
really?
For him to come forward afterwards as he did, and of course Sheldon Kennedy is the most public face.
Oh my God! Why would you stop there?
Time for Canadian.
So then they would come and say things like, oh, we gotta close another 43 stores that weren't profitable. And so in 2017, Sears went from thinking that they would have to close just 100 stores in January to announcing that they would...
What a compelling way to build your case. Just make things up because you totally think they could sound plausible. Again, these people are entitlement rich but fact short. They want so desperately to be oppressed that they're literally making up situations.
Don't turn on red.
Are we renting an apartment with $18,000 in debt? Should we buy a house? And that was the only part of the story you told me. Okay? Then I would say don't buy a house until you're debt free and you have your emergency fund in place, and then you save your down payment.
Wait, did he just go straight from the left turn or the right turn? I think he did.
Up around the loop, and as I was standing there, I ran down to get a license plate number for the police. This is the second time our cars have been
a no turn on red.
He wasn't breaking into your car. He wasn't breaking into your car. Don't give me baloney. He was in my driveway.
Go. No, that was red light runner. No wonder why you didn't go. Oops. I almost yelled at the wrong person.
Championship contention, even though they'll probably blow it like they have the last 2 seasons. They've dropped a few thousand heads, but this one can use the cold of April and May as a legit excuse for it. Also, the
I had just noticed that. Wait, why is he in the thing like that? And of course when the... Yeah, this guy's going around the guy. Smart. Not really. And he's like halfway in the intersection now, which... Now he's reversing. And by halfway in the intersection, I mean he's over like where the crosswalk is and stuff. We got some fart smellers here today. I mean, smart fellers here today.
Go ahead. She came that day to pay and handed me $32, and prior
Red
to
light
coming,
runner,
she said, I want you to sign
and
for
yet
the cash
another
I'm gonna
red
give
light
you. I said,
runner.
no problem. Erica and I were on our...
Is pretty high. Not as high as it would have been 20 years ago, but it's still there. The expectation that you're going to be
Come on!
healthy and
Been green for a while.
Because we can skate.
What a fucking douchebag!
You're giving up. Or you got to find another career that's different than driving a truck. That's going to make you similar money. Okay. I don't care which one you do. This just doesn't sound very fun. So.
Okay, thanks for the correct lane usage. I could have won with it. What are you doing? Wow. This is why we don't jaywalk, people.
So what in the heck is this number here? Because it has a different...
And that's red light runner.
Than what I have.
The Fed says it saw, quote, widespread and critical deficiencies.
They both ran the red light.
But when I talk about the...
What a moron. Saw that.
Was making her case. 88% thought that she was, while 12% did not. Now, let's see what the judge thinks.
What is your problem, lady? You sat there and swore up and down
fuck?
you didn't know anything about the phones. So she went and got the account. You know what she had to do? To